2016 Yamaha Viper XTX SE. This one's a 141, 1.6. It's got the MPI Turbo Kit with the Yamaha recall rod update done. Got the heavy duty front bumper. Got the, I believe that's a medium Sport Windshield. It's very nice shape. It's got 3,850 miles on it. Analog boost gauge. Didn't really find the mark on it. It's had a tunnel bag and something else mounted on here before. It's got a hitch on the back. It's got one mark up front here. Must have slid into something on a trailer, in a trailer. Very clean, even the decals are all still intact. Very nice sled.